welcome to Missologist. So we are now making a Boozy pumpkin spice hot chocolate. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our half and half of milk or whatever you have, or oat milk, soy milk, whatever it is that you drink.
A cat?
I milked a cat once.
Huh?
That's a long time.
Oh, I'm gonna take it out earlier. I need to take it out 1.5 minutes. It depends on your preference. I usually heat stuff for 2 minutes, but I don't, because it's cold, but we'll see. I might take it out a bit earlier. Anyway, this is a Missologist created recipe, so it's brand new. It's something you won't find anywhere else, and should be really good. I am using Meadowland pumpkin spice syrup, which seems to be really, really good. We're gonna use vodka. The vodka I'm using is Crater Lake vodka, which is good because I'm using a Crater Lake mug, so it all fits together. And the hot chocolate I'm using is Guitard, but you can obviously use whatever you want. You can use Swiss Miss, you can use, other hot chocolates if you have them. Do whatever you want. There are no rules. I'm going to take this out now so that I don't burn myself when I try it. So I'm going to add some of this hot chocolate mix. I think they actually want you to add like 4 ounces, but I honestly don't like my hot chocolate to be too chocolatey, so let's see how it goes with just this. Simple. That's mixing together, but as with most hot chocolates, you'll probably have to help it mix into your milk. Yeah, it's looking really good though. It's smelling really, really nice. Really good. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, the chocolate is stuck in the spoon. We'll just leave the spoon in there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is add half an ounce of the pumpkin spice syrup. Again, this is Meadowland, which is a local company. I really like their pumpkin spice syrup. Very good. Not overly sweet or anything. I'm gonna mix that in. And then I'm gonna take the vodka. On my recipe, I have 2 ounces, but you can do 1 ounce, do 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces, whatever you want, whatever your preferences are. But honestly, since my mug is kind of full, I'm gonna start with 1 ounce. Okay, so I'm just gonna do 1 ounce because it's already pretty full, and I don't see the need for more. I'm gonna mix that in, and then last but not least, we're gonna put some whipped cream on this. Okay, so whipped cream, and this is fresh whipped cream, which you can make with a mixer. You can make with a whipped cream thingy-majig. You can also top it with marshmallows. You can, do whatever you want. But let's try it. Yeah, that's good. It's really good. I got a lot of whipped cream. That's probably part of it, but
What?
it's really nice. You can't taste, the pumpkin spice is not overwhelming. I get it a little bit, but it's not. If you want more pumpkin spice flavor, you can add more pumpkin spice to it, not just half a shot. You could add 1 shot, 1 ounce. However, I like to start low and work my way up. So, and then obviously you can add more vodka if you want to. But I honestly think it's really a good amount because I'm getting the pumpkin spice and then I'm getting the milk, the whipped cream, and the chocolate. And it's a really good, warm, nice, yummy drink. I'm really happy with this, how it turned out. So anyway, that is Boozy Pumpkin Spice Hot Chocolate. You can find that in our box for this month. And you'll get everything you need to make it, minus the vodka. But yeah, cheers.